Here I have Peugeot Expert, and let me show you how to enable the volume linked to speech feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then all you need to do is find and select here the music button to open the radio or some other source of music. Use here the button menu to select options. The option is located at the down right corner of the screen. Then select here the audio settings, this music icon again. And here you can use the button menu and let's select here sound. As you can see here, you can enable volume linked to speech. So when checked, the car will automatically increase the music volume as you drive faster to compensate for road and wind noise. So I think it's quite useful, especially when you are riding on some highways with extremely high speeds. So you can adjust it automatically, the audio settings. So let's check out how you like this feature. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.